Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be a little bit different, and this is basically a project that I built with the intentions of scrapping it. And basically I wanted to test out different hinge styles, different cutouts here for the doors, you know, cutouts here on the shelf itself, add some dimension here, make it look a little bit thicker. This is 3/16 plate. This is 1/8 by 3/4. I wanted to experiment with vents like this, the latches, you name it, all this stuff. So none of this is finished, and it's not going to hurt the performance. I also made this grill to test out the Langmuir Crossfire. Other than that, it's been a learning curve. I am going to give this away, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and season all this, toss some meat on here, put some mesquite firewood. I want to see if the grate is going to warp on me. If it does, I'll learn something and I'll go ahead and reinforce it on the sides or do something. This is about 3/8 of an inch. It's a very thick casing. That's oil field pipe. That's a 2 3/8 pipe. This was the only new piece that I bought, which was like $11. I don't know if it's a 2.5 inch elbow. This was scrap 3/16. It's fairly new. These are the hinges, kind of dark here. These are the hinges that I built last time, and well, I did like them, but on the next set, I want this pivot point to be here on the back. Other than that, you can see some of the welds here are nasty, some are grinded off, but it's all a learning curve. I wanted to try making these handles. Kind of made them like little footballs, and I'm getting ideas so I can incorporate into a different build. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put some canola oil in there and just cover all the rusty surface. I went ahead and cleaned it a while back. Not that bad. We're going to put canola oil on there, throw some mesquite firewood in here, just heat it up, and then I'll throw some steaks or something just to see if this scrap build performs or if it's going to the scrap yard. So yeah. All right, so we got some canola oil, some needle nose pliers, and I'm just gonna apply some oil to this rag here and just wipe all this down. Just give it an even coat. All right, so we got some firewood ready to go. I'm just looking for my fire starters, and we'll turn this on. All right, so the fire's going, the grill grate is cleaned, and now it's just drying up. I'll put some canola oil on it and let it season as well. Alright guys, we can see how it's getting a real good seasoning right here. And we're still lacking a little bit more heat. Same thing over here. Looking pretty good. I'm going to toss some steaks in here as well. We'll just toss these in there like that. And cheese is smoking. Let me see if I can flip the steaks over. Oh, that looks good right there. All right, looks pretty good to me. All right, guys, so I guess the scrap barbecue pit was a success. I'm gonna get my Dr. Pepper Zero here. And today's a very hot day. And I gotta try this out. Now the flavor's good. I hadn't cooked with mesquite wood in a while. The meat is very soft. This is, I guess they call it a prime rib because it has a bone on here versus a ribeye. And it's very good, very soft. I don't know what happened to my napkin there. But if you enjoy these videos, guys, leave a like below, leave a comment. If you want to see, me build something, post it below. Maybe I'll build something. Now, I do want to build something a little bit bigger than this and raffle it off. You know, hopefully y'all enjoy the content, and I really enjoy doing this. So, see you on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys. Found a finger rib here. This is hot. Just got it off the grill. And I just had to try it. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.